Hey there, experiencing issues with your sound setup? If your Samsung soundbar is refusing to turn on with your TV, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Samsung's soundbar not turning on with TV. Whether it's a minor glitch or a deeper connectivity problem, we've got the solutions to help you enjoy uninterrupted, immersive sound once more. Step 1. Check the power connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, start by checking all the basics. Ensure that the power cables are securely plugged into both the soundbar and the electrical outlet. Try plugging another device into the same outlet to check if it's working. Sometimes a loose connection or a fault in the power source could be the simple cause of your issue. Step 2. Verify the HDMI-CEC settings. Samsung soundbars can be connected to TVs via HDMI, and they support HDMI-CEC. This feature enables your TV and soundbar to communicate, turning the soundbar on automatically with TV. Navigate to your TV settings and confirm that the HDMI-CEC function is enabled. On Samsung TVs, this feature is called Anynet Plus. Make sure both your TV and soundbar support this setting and ensure it's turned on. Step 3. Inspect the input settings. Sometimes the soundbar might be set up to the wrong input mode, thus not turning on automatically. Double check that the input source on your soundbar is correctly set to connect with your TV. You can cycle through the input modes using your soundbar's remote or the buttons on the device itself. Step 4. Confirm firmware updates. Out-of-date firmware might prevent your soundbar from functioning correctly. Check for any available firmware updates for both your TV and soundbar. Most manufacturers release updates to fix bugs and enhance performance. Install any updates if necessary, then test the setup to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Reset your soundbar. If all else fails, try resetting your soundbar to its factory settings. This can resolve unseen issues that might be affecting its connection to the TV. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to perform a reset, as the steps may vary depending on the model. Once reset, reconfigure the settings to pair it up again with your TV. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix Samsung soundbar not turning on with TV, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies with crystal clear sound. Remember, a simple check of power and settings can often do the trick. If persistent issues remain, it might be time to consult Samsung support or consider hardware servicing. Happy viewing, and may your sound experience be flawless.